I'm not too sure about this one. Or most disturbing, caught on live stream footage.
This house party live stream was recorded by a user named Tone IRL. And with Tone behind the camera, you can see
I've
everyone
heard
at this
about
house
this.
party is day drinking. And this is when he notices his friend Willie Two Guns, passed out, standing up, obviously on multiple substances, including alcohol. So Tone takes this as an opportunity to use his friend as content to his current average of about 1,000 viewers. And it's quite obvious that Willie
That's pretty good, dude.
is not okay.
Willie! Yeah. What up? You good? Yeah. Dap me up. Give me a handshake if you're coherent.
Oh, he's not coherent.
Yeah, see, no handshake. I'm good.
Bro, that wouldn't even be fun. You wouldn't even remember none of this.
I'll give him a little boop, 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 boop. Wake up. Oh, wait.
Yeah, this is much older, right? I feel like I heard about this a long time ago.
If we flick it, if it won't make a sound.
He continues to record Willie, even making a
Okay, so he's just an asshole, pretty much.
bet that he would fall over. But instead of helping him, he just lets it happen. And
Oh.
Willie takes a hard fall, and Tone laughs and continues to record, with his viewers sending in donations, making fun of the situation. And other streamers at this party begin to ask questions, but don't seem to want to get involved.
Oh, it's that guy. Oh, that guy's like a terrible drunk, too. Wow, this is
And
just
the lack of
sad.
sympathy for their friend is jarring.
Yeah, I could try to give him CPR, but I'm okay. I think he's breathing. Let's go ahead and check his face. Yo, Willie, are you there? I gotta make sure, just in case. I don't want to be liable for your death. That would suck.
Bro, that would make you liable for his death, no? I mean, he's clearly...
Now at this point, Willie is unconscious and no longer responding. And with the viewer count steadily rising, he continues to take donations,
Did he go to
making fun
jail
of the
for this?
situation.
Anonymous sent $3. I think that broke his neck. He hit hard. This is Taint's fault. I watched it 3 times and it makes me cringe every time he falls.
However, the depravity would not end there for
Oh,
Willie,
no.
as they would proceed to draw clown makeup on his
I didn't
face
know
and
that.
different parts of his body. And with this situation now going on for over 20 minutes, even his audience begin begging him to call an ambulance.
Let me see his breathing.
Bro, imagine him taking him to the hospital looking like that.
Okay. Willie! Okay, he's breathing. Yeah, he's breathing good.
Anonymous sent $3. This might be getting serious.
Yeah,
I wouldn't hesitate to call paramedics at this.
Bro donated $3 to say that. That's fucking crazy. Oh, that's what he's screaming. Okay. That's crazy, dude. Like, if somebody didn't do that, they probably wouldn't
Yeah, like,
have even had that thought.
Yeah, fast forward about 3 hours if you get
he's fine. Listen to him. So, I'll keep his head tilted back. I got you. Sorry.
Finally, 45 minutes after this
I don't know. I feel like just letting him stay passed out after hitting his head is not good. Like, he could, I don't know, brain damage?
encounter, police and paramedics would finally arrive, and Tone and his friends would begin to remove the makeup from Willie's face in preparation for paramedics to arrive.
It's body paint or whatever.
So we ain't trying to get anybody in trouble, but it's starting to seem like you might have taken something other than just alcohol.
No, he took this stuff is.
That's his medication.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, he was on medication too?
Willie would finally be taken to the hospital, and the viewers did not hold back in telling them what bad friends they are.
Anonymous sent $3. I can't believe the guy was dying and you painted his face. I never want to meet you.
Bro donated money to tell him that too. That's the craziest thing to me on some of these. Like, I don't know. Like, if I was that upset, I wouldn't even want to give him any money.
Guys.
The stream would continue on as if nothing happened, and according to sources, Willie would go into a coma for 2 weeks,
Oh my God, I didn't know that.
where he would unfortunately pass away. And if you take a look at the online obituary page,
He
you
died
can
from
see
this
familiar
video?
faces from the video, leaving comments like this one. Still missing you, man. Missing the donos and content.
Ugh. Ugh. Look like life hit you with a bus.
Much love as always. Rest in peace. Now, according to sources online,
That's crazy. He literally died from this video. That's super
charges were ever
sad.
brought forward, and it seems most, if not all, of these streamers don't go live anymore. However, this
Good.
entire live stream still resides on YouTube and continues to disturb myself and anyone who comes across it.
Who would want to watch that though?
And in 2020, she was
Okay. Oh, I think I've seen this too. These are all like really common ones, I guess.
I'm Jasmine is an IRL streamer in Osaka, Japan, and in 2020 she was filming in the Namba district.
Oh.
Now the Namba district is a high-traffic tourist area and a major hub for nightlife, which can lead to some very unsafe areas, particularly at night and early morning. And she quickly got some unwanted attention by someone who would not take no for an answer.
I feel like there's like inner politics that we don't talk about to you guys. There's hello. 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 Thank you so much.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh my god, why are you touching me?
Yeah, the immediate back touch. Ooh.
No. Go man, stop. I'm sorry. No. No. Yeah, this is live stream.
Live.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh. Okay, bye. Nansai? What? Huh?
Does she not speak that language at all? That was really awkward.
What's
No,
not?
live.
Oh.
Yay.
Okay, bye.
Well, like, get up.
Oh, what? No. I'm so...
Mr. Korean.
Oh, this is...
What's he saying, though?
27 teach it. X200, get lost jerk now.
No, don't stop, man. Man, stop
Yeah, bro. Stand up.
touching me, man. No.
No.
Yeah. I'm just... Okay, I'm standing, Papa. Huh?
Why did you not want to stand up?
I think I see you. Oh, it's nice to meet you. Okay.
You can see that she's clearly uncomfortable, which makes for a very awkward encounter. And he's asking very forward questions.
Ooh, what the hell was that?
What's your age? And do you want to be a couple? And not knowing the language, Jasmine tries to make a quick exit.
Oh, get out of there. I feel like this is a little bit like, you gotta like respond.
Anonymous donated $5. Dude, I'm gonna need you to leave my girl alone now. Back again.
I don't know if it's like for the stream that she wanted to keep that going, but I don't know, man. Like, get up.
Why?
I can't understand. Sorry. Run? What do you mean run? I couldn't find a garbage. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I feel like you're encouraging it.
At this point, she's worried he'll follow.
Yeah, dude, go into a store. Dude, the chat's making like good comments, and then she's not listening to any of them.
All the way home. That is until when someone donates an audio clip of a woman screaming, and it sends him in the other direction.
They donate $66 for that?
Anonymous has just donated.
Hey, wow. I mean, way to not do anything yourself and let the chat do it for you entirely, but they solved that problem.
66.66.
Jasmine finally gets a moment of solace, but she breaks down multiple times throughout the live stream. But she would eventually have to end the live stream after getting cornered by yet another man.
I think she kept it going a little bit because of the stream. Like, she wasn't like getting up and ending the interaction.
Huh?
Which is like fair. I mean, that's what she's doing, you know?
Sorry? Woman? Sorry, woman. I don't speak Japanese.
You need to have like a translator with you.
I'm just going home.
Security.
I'm just going home. Okay, how's it go? Arigato, thank you so much. Bye. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, okay.
Jesus Christ. Too much going on, man. I feel like I'm... Ugh.
Arigato, thank you. Bye. Oh, man. He's just concerned. Yeah, I mean, he was nice. I'm sorry. I feel bad if he's concerned and, like, I brushed him away like he was a creep and
Nah, yeah, he was a lot more chill. Like, he was like, no, it's cool, I'll leave type shit. So that was way cooler. But I would hate to do that, dude. Especially be like an IRL, like, female streamer. I feel like it's just so many weirdos, dude. Luckily, there's not that many women weirdos that are, like, as weird as men weirdos. I don't know if that makes sense, but...
Incident had anything to do with it, but it definitely highlights the dangers of IRL streaming.
Yeah, dude, that was
In
kind of
late
a long
2025, this disturbing moment was caught on live stream by a creator named Hinema, and the clip begins after returning to her car, which was in the parking lot late at night, when her friend notices that her windshield wipers were sticking straight up, which could be a sign that she was targeted for trafficking. And though it didn't happen in this instance, other signs include money on your windshield or zip ties on your door.
Ooh, bro, that would get me, though. That would get me, though. 100 on my windshield. I'm grabbing it.
Handle.
Like, you got me where you want me, I guess.
And you can see the moment she put this all together. But what happens next is truly terrifying.
What's up?
Oh, that's scary.
It's cooler than this.
She knows what that means.
Wait. Bitch, no.
Oh my god,
wait,
react.
I'm gonna drive
react.
off. Bitch, drive. What the Bro. That's a way for sex trafficking. That's a way for you to get out the car and fix that.
I thought somebody was like coming up or something.
And someone stabbed me under the car. Oh, hell no. Wait, no. That's weird. That's weird. Wait, that's weird. Nah, that's weird. I don't give a f. I'm gonna drive with those bitches up. Things. Oh my god, they put up my mirrors too. Wait. That's scary.
Yeah, that's actually...
That's scary. Wait, hold this shit? No, actually, wait.
I mean, that's a good idea to get somebody to get out of the car, but that is, like, terrible that people do that.
But it's because I can't drive. Without... Then go to the other side. Bitch, I don't know if someone's gonna follow my car.
Thankfully, they were able to get away. But while this was being live streamed to thousands of viewers, some mentioned that the shadow behind the car next to them as they pull away was someone hiding, lying in wait. Now, it should be noted that this could just be a coincidence.
Yeah, it could be. That person quick, though, with it.
And many of these trafficking methods have been debunked.
I mean, he would have to be there to be able to capitalize on it, you know? But maybe she was safe. It's just scary, though, because you don't know.
But for Erin Mims, it was all but real. Because after eating lunch, she found a napkin on her door handle. So she asked her husband if he had done it, which he hadn't. So she picked it up with her bare hands. And within just a few minutes, she felt something was wrong.
Felt like I couldn't breathe. My chest started hurting. I just was getting hot flashes. My heart was racing. Just a whole bunch of stuff. I told him, I don't feel okay. I think I need to go to the hospital. My fingertips started tingling. In my mind, I'm thinking, I'm just overreacting.
Her husband would then take her to the hospital. And the doctors would...
Dude, from touching a napkin? I didn't know it got that sophisticated. They can do that shit?
...say that she had acute poisoning. Erin then made a quick recovery, but has since stated that it left lasting effects mentally. And these days...
Oh, I'm sure, dude. I'd be paranoid about anything, like any piece of trash.
She has much more awareness and wanted to let others know what to look out for.
Wow.
On June 14th,
who got that kind of technology, though?
Shamarcus Carr began a live stream with his wife, Zaria Carr. And at first, everything was pretty lighthearted, with both of them laughing and joking with the Facebook live chat. That's until they both started airing out their dirty laundry and talking about each other's infidelity. And they really weren't holding back on all the embarrassing details about each other. And you can see, as the live stream continues, Shamarcus is starting to lose his temper.
Oh no, this is gonna be bad.
to try to validate her cheating with me inboxing girls and shit when I'm in prison. I needed a pen pal. You feel me?
That's pretty shit justification, though, buddy. I gotta say.
I want the pen pal. What you mean? So she validated that while she ran here. Okay, so I come home. Back to the point. She get pregnant. My daughter, like y'all done seen on my page. I get caught up cheating. So she calling my phone. She calling my phone. So she come and tell me, "Oh, I'm cooking lasagna, my boy."
Zaria playfully takes the phone, but Shamarcus eventually gets it back. But this is where it takes a terrifying turn, because they begin to share intimate details about each other's incurable STDs and how they got them. But it all comes to a head when Zaria mentions someone's name to the Facebook chat, and Shamarcus's demeanor completely changes, and he threatens her.
Now you want the phone back? Oh, I ain't get to tell you. I ain't get to tell about Udi. Then
That's when you're dying.
Then I gotta die about that. You told my. I gotta die if I tell what happened.
Give my phone.
That's crazy, y'all. I ain't willing to die about it, so y'all won't know that tea right now.
She mentions someone named Udi, and he says you'll die about that. And she attempts to change the topic, but seconds later, she drops the phone. Police would later arrive to their Georgia home and find Zaria unconscious with stab wounds. Shortly after, she'd be pronounced dead at the scene, and there was no sign of Shamarcus because he had fled and taken their 2021 black Challenger.
Oh, was it because he like maybe thought she already said too much type stuff, and it was just like, all right, I should have done it.
A statewide alert was issued, and later that night, his car was spotted, and after a short chase, he pulled the car over and turned a gun on himself, and he would not survive his injuries. Zaria was only 27, and they shared one kid together, making this all the more heartbreaking. If you've made it this far,
damn, just for saying some shit on a live? That's crazy, dude. That's super sad. I didn't hear about that last one, I don't think. Or that one. That was pretty good. I'll say that was pretty good. All right. I got 4 more left. And they're all pretty short. So it ain't gonna take long. Probably gonna be like 2-hour, 2.5-hour stream total. Ugh. I feel like the longer ones like get through more time, which is cool. And then the short ones, I get through so many videos, I'm like, oh my god, I've done like 8 videos. And then I'm like, oh, I'm tired. But I'm not, you know? It's like less time, or the same amount of time. Anyway, I'm gonna go pee real quick, and then I'll be back to do the last 4.